Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Christmas holiday bake with me. I don't think I've ever done this before on my channel, but I found a ton of cute recipes on Pinterest. So these are all Pinterest recipes. I will have the recipes down below for you guys. They all are so cute and so just like Christmas spirit. Also, look at the tree that the kids decorated for their tree. I had a lot of fun doing this. And it's that time of year. I'm just so happy. And like Thanksgiving is this week, so I apologize this is going up before Thanksgiving, but I am so ready and I love this season, especially it being like our first Christmas having the baby here, and it's just so great, you guys. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoy these treats. If you make them at home, please tell me. I'd love to know what you think of them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in just a minute for the bake with me. These little gingerbread men, we're gonna go ahead and make these first. They are adorable and so fun to make. Okay, to make the little gingerbread pops, you're gonna need marshmallows, something to decorate the faces, and then a little bit of shortening. It said brown meltables, and these are the peanut butter ones, and I think those are the exact ones they use in the recipe. Icing to draw on more of the face, lollipop sticks, and then a board, like styrofoam thing. Okay, here's all the little gingerbread men faces with the eyes. And now you have to let this just sit like this. And then once everything's dry, you can add the rest of the face. Next up, let's make these Grinch cookies. They are super easy, only 5 ingredients, and the color perfect for Grinch. So these are the Grinch cookies. You just need a white cake mix, Cool Whip, 1 egg, and then green food coloring and powdered sugar.
One day we place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim
Okay, third, we're gonna make these little cute gingerbread cheesecakes made in just a little muffin pan. You need brown sugar, molasses, 2 eggs, muffin liners, sour cream, unsalted butter, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, 2 cream cheeses, and a package of graham crackers.
yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I had a lot of fun just making them like back to back to back. These are recipes that like the kids will like, and they're all like smaller servings as well, so they're good and easy to like bring along with you if you're going to be home for the holidays or traveling for the holidays. We are traveling, but I do plan on making the cheesecakes for sure to take with us. And yeah, it was just a lot of fun doing this and filming this today. And if you want to see more videos like these, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.